The preferred drug for suppressing febrile convulsions is rectal diazepam. Despite having anticonvulsant action, diazepam is not used in the treatment of epilepsy because it causes sedation and its anticonvulsant action wanes off with chronic use. Clobazam is a benzodiazepine used as antiepileptic. Choose the correct statement about lamotrigine. It is a broad spectrum antiepileptic drug. Select the antiepileptic drug that in addition is a preferred treatment for post-herpetic neuralgia and pain due to diabetic neuropathy. Gabapentin. Gabapentin acts by enhancing GABA release. Select the anticonvulsant drug that acts as GABA transaminase inhibitor. Vigabatrin. The following is true of topiramate except it is not effective in generalized tonic-clonic seizures. The following is true in the treatment of epilepsy except the choice of drug depends on the cause of epilepsy and not on the seizure type. A combination of two or more antiepileptic drugs is used only when monotherapy with first or second choice drugs fails. Select the factor which indicates that withdrawal of the successfully used antiepileptic medication is likely to result in recurrence of seizures, partial seizures. An epileptic woman controlled by phenytoin therapy conceives. Which of the following measures is most appropriate? Gradually reduce phenytoin dose to the lowest effective dose. Risk of neural tube defect in the offspring can be minimized in pregnant women conceiving antiepileptic drugs by supplemental therapy with folic acid. Which of the following is the most suitable drug for a 6-year-old girl suffering from absence seizure with occasional generalized tonic-clonic seizures? Sodium valproate. A 3-year-old boy gets seizures whenever he develops fever, which is the most appropriate strategy so that he does not develop febrile convulsions. Intermittent diazepam prophylaxis started at the onset of fever. The preferred drug for status epilepticus is intravenous diazepam. The most effective drug in Parkinsonism is levodopa plus carbidopa. In Parkinsonism, patients' levodopa exerts the following effects except reduces skeletal muscle contractility. The dopamine D2 receptor has the following feature. It is negatively coupled to adenyl cyclase. The usual cardiovascular effect of levodopa is fall in blood pressure due to decrease in sympathetic tone. The following drug does not produce any overt CNS effect in normal individuals but exert clear-cut therapeutic effect at the same dose in the presence of a specific neurological or psychiatric disorder. Levodopa. Loss or alteration of taste sensation can occur as a side effect of levodopa, captopril and penicillamine. Which of the following adverse effects of levodopa has a delayed onset and increases in severity with continued therapy? Abnormal movements. The drug which abolishes the therapeutic effect of levodopa in Parkinsonism but not that of levodopa carbidopa combination is pyridoxine. Use of carbidopa along with levodopa in the treatment of Parkinsonism minimizes on-off effect. The following adverse effect of levodopa is not minimized by combining it with carbidopa. Involuntary movements. Though bromocriptine acts directly on dopamine receptor, it is used in Parkinsonism only as a supplement to levodopa because used alone, its effective doses produces intolerable side effects.